Rewind time. If I controlled YouTube Rewind, I would want Fortnite and Slender Queen.
Where we dropping, boys? Play me some of that non-copyrighted jumping music. If you don't stop playing this game, so what the game should be on you.
Bonjour, Capiche, souk souk. Fight, please. Fight, please.
Smell. Alright, so all I did was go to Google and type in YouTube Rewind 2018. I got the thumbnail right here, popped up, copying the image. I'm gonna go take it into Paint 3D, which is a Microsoft app that I believe I came built into the computer, so that's what I'm using. Now I'm going to paste it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go into 2D shapes and get this one that says rounded square, and take that, and I left it on the color white so it'll be easy for me to see when I cut it out. Now all I'm going to do is size it up to the edges of the actual thumbnail itself. Now that I've done that, I have to go take the triangles, and since this isn't a classic play buttons, the rewind play button as seen right here, I'm going to have to go take 2 triangles as opposed to 1, size them accordingly. So I'm going to rotate it to -90 degrees just this way, and it looks like this rate. Okay, so this could be a little bit bigger, so like that. Alright, there we go. And what I'm going to do now is press this button, which will create another one, and now, oh man, alright, I'm going to go fix the mistake I made, but I'll catch you guys after that. Alright, I got it sized up completely. Now basically this isn't really going to be of that much importance. It's just to help me know where to cut when I actually do cut that part out of the play button. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to print this out, and I'm going to get it on the cutting board and get ready to do what I normally, do with these things.
Yeah. Oh, that's hot.
Alright guys, so here it is, the YouTube Rewind play button in all its glory, with the mess up on the side for the printing, which was 100% my printer's fault. Yeah, but it does summarize YouTube Rewind, which, was a fail. Printing was a fail, so therefore, it perfectly summarizes it. Yeah, that's about it, guys. I'm going to be doing a giveaway, because I had these lying around. If you want one, you can get one. There's 2 of them. All you got to do is click the link below and fill out all the stuff, and you'll be entered in the giveaway. Congratulations. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please consider leaving a like, subscribing, and leaving a suggestion for another video. Share it with your friends, your family, your dog, your cat, everybody you know. Forget my camera quality as a side note. Also, subscribe to the official Admiral Sneaky Sneaky. There will be a link in the description and an end card, as well as Slender Quinn, who, is also part of the video. That's about it, guys. Play button out.